Good morning, children. There was a break in the previous video, so I am continuing the last question. Question number 1, the third question. 2x squared minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. So you have to find out the nature of the roots. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 6, C is equal to 3. D is equal to B squared minus 4AC minus 6 squared minus 4 into 2 into 3, 36 minus 24 is 12. D is equal to 12, square root D is equal to square root 12, that is square root of 4 into 3, square root of 4 is 2, square root 3 plus or minus 3. So root D is equal to plus or minus 2 root 3. Before that you should write down the nature of the roots here. Since D is greater than 0, equation has two distinct real roots. So root 2 you have taken, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root d by 2a minus of minus 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 2 into 2. So minus minus by plus or minus 2 root 3 by 4. So x is equal to 6 plus 2 root 3 by 4, that is 2 you take it out, 3 plus root 3 by 4, 2, so it is 3 plus root 3 by 2. This side it will come 3 minus root 3 by 2. So x is equal to 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4, 2 take it out, 3 minus root 3 by 4, so it is 3 minus root 3 by 2. Therefore roots are 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. One more question it can be asked. One root of this quadratic equation is 3 plus root 3 by 2. What is the other root? If it is 3 plus root 3 by 2, the other root is 3 minus root 3 by 2. Question number 2. Find the value of k each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. It is given that this equation is having two equal roots. You should find out the value of k. So therefore the equation is 2x squared plus kx plus 3. So it is given, what is given? Equation is having two equal roots. Therefore, here what is the value of a? A is 2, b is the coefficient of x is k and c is 3. So for two equal roots, d is equal to 0. What is our d? B squared minus 4ac equal to 0. So d is equal to b squared minus 4ac, that equal to 0. B squared is k squared minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3 equal to 0. K squared minus 24 equal to 0. So k squared is equal to 24. K is equal to root of 24. Root of 24 means 4, 6. 4 into 6. So root 4 is 2. 2 root 6 plus or minus 2 root 6. Therefore, what you should write down? The value of k is plus or minus 2 root 6. Then only equation has equal roots. Second question, it is given kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Here you have to open this bracket because you have to make it in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Kx into x is kx squared. Kx into minus 2 is minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now the value of a is coefficient of x squared is k. B is coefficient of x is minus 2k. C is equal to 6. So again it is given two equal roots. For two equal roots, d equal to 0. What is d? D is b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. B squared is minus 2k the whole squared minus 4 into a. A is k into c equal to 0. 4k squared minus 24k equal to 0. 4k squared is equal to 24k. Here you know this is k squared and this is okay. Otherwise you bring it to here. 4k squared minus 24k equal to 0. You can take 4k out. K minus 6 equal to 0. 1 minute. Okay. 4k here, either this 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. Here k is equal to 0 by 4 is 0. Here k is equal to 6. So what is the value of this k? K is 0 is not possible. This is not possible. Because when the k becomes 0, this entire part will become 0. Value of k is 0 means this entire part will become 0. That means k is 0 is not possible. Therefore, the value of k is, what value of k is? 6. Value of k is 6. So you understood why I have not k is equal to 0? Because when you take k is equal to 0, this entire part will become 0. Then it is not a quadratic equation. Now I am going to do the fourth question. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their percentage. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their age is 48. So that means you have to see, is it possible when the situation is possible means you have to find out the discriminant. If the discriminant is negative, there is no values of the variable, then the situation is not possible. So the sum of the ages of two friends is 20. So let the percentage of one friend, take it as x years. The sum is 80. Percentage of other friend is 20 minus x years. It is given 4 years ago. Product of their age is 48. So 4 years ago, age of one friend is x minus 4. Other friend, 20 minus x minus 4 is 16 minus x. Their product, x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to, total it is given, product is given 48. 16x minus 4 into 16, 64, minus x squared plus 4x equal to 48, minus x squared, 16x plus 4x is plus 20x, minus 64 minus 48 is 0, minus x squared plus 28, 112 equal to 0. Here you can multiply by minus 1 x squared plus 20x plus this is minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. X squared minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 20, C is equal to 112. So D is equal to B squared minus 4AC minus 20 the whole squared minus 4 into 1 into 112, 400 minus 48. D is minus 48. So since D is less than 0, so therefore what will happen? No real roots exist. No real roots exist. That means you will not get the value of x. It will be D is negative. No real root exists. Therefore the given situation is not possible. It is not possible. So here there are given third and fifth question. Same way you have to solve it. If you are getting D positive value, you have to do it. If you are getting D negative value, you write down the situation is not possible. So homework, exercise 4.4, question number 3 and question number 5.